Right now, how to upload your video to YouTube from your phone. So I'm recording here on my phone. In the middle, there's a plus sign. You can see my main channel here. I'm selecting plus sign, but I'm actually in my account, my second channel. So what I'm going to do for there is select a video for that channel. And I selected the video from my phone. I have letting it process, and then I need to select, if I want to do other things, there's options here, but I'm just going to select the check mark on the right and then next, because I'm not doing any other things. Now you have all those other options, adding we can add captions later, all of those things. So I will change my title later as well, but you do need to add a title. It happens to be a short. It's under a minute. It's a vertical video. There's all these other things I can do later as well. So I'm going to select upload short, and it's uploading to my videos. I'm selecting C video. You can see here it's uploading to my second channel, the video that's for there. And it just takes a moment to process. And I could go to that channel, view channel, manage videos, and that's where I'm seeing this as well. And right now there's no other options except for delete video because it's not fully processed and ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to go to shorts. I see it here, selecting the three dots. I'm still not able to do anything else with it, so just might have to be patient. So it's uploaded to my videos. Now it's ready. I can watch it. So I can now test the three. Let's go to C video. And it's still unlisted with the little link symbol there. When I scroll over to the left, you see all of these different options. But what I want to do is be able to edit. So I am going to go back, and then now I'm going to try the three dots. So if you're not seeing this menu come up, just give it a minute or so. Go back in. Now I can select edit. I can edit in advanced settings in Studio or just regular edit. I can change visibility, the audience, related video, location, add to playlist, do all the things. And then once I have made some changes, I can select save. I still don't have it public yet because there are other changes. I'm going to test edit advanced settings in Studio as well. And this gives me a lot of the same types of options. You definitely want to add tags and things so that you can make it searchable. So that is how you quickly go to upload your video. I could switch account, go back to my main channel, and go to their content, and I can view all. And I could do the same thing here as well on my main channel. Let's go out of that, go to the channel, content. So once you're in the studio, you might also wonder how to get back once you're in the studio. So you can also just on the bottom on the right do the arrow back button so that you can get to where you want to be. You view your channel, you can manage your videos. All of that it will still at the bottom have your navigation bar with the plus sign in the middle. And that is where you then select a recording. And again, you do the next, done. If you're not doing anything else, it's just gonna be patient. Select the check mark, then next, and then you do all of your next steps. So again, that's a recap of how you upload from your phone a video to your YouTube channel.